Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to put shake to reveal on Instagram story. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So this is a really cool effect to going out to your story, so let's go and get started. First of all, open your Instagram app and come down to the bottom. Then you can go and tap the plus icon just like so. From here you can click on camera to take a photo, or you can just choose one from your camera roll, just like so. Now we can add to shake to reveal image. To do that, all you need to do, go to the top and click onto the smiley face icon on the left of music. And now click on frames. Then what you can do is go and add the image you want to shake to reveal. In this case, I'll select this one. You can go and add a caption if you want. Then you can go and press done. Click on add to story at the bottom left corner, and as you can see, when I shake my phone, it gets revealed. So that's it. That is how to put shake to reveal on Instagram story. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.